Welcome to 2080 Eagle Drive in Lake Havasu City in the heart of the golf course area. Spectacular area of town. If we haven't met before, my name is Bobby Lewis with the Lewis team, Remax by the Lake. We're going to give you a quick tour of this spectacular home. And if you stick with me for a little bit in the video, there's some very, very interesting history, Hollywood history with this home. I think you're going to be quite impressed. Go look inside. You'll notice details have not been overlooked anywhere. Immaculate is an understatement. Having sold over 1,000 homes in Lake Havasu over the last 2 decades, Julie and I definitely have seen many homes. And whoa, look, welcome inside here,
Good morning.
Julie.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to 2080 Eagle Drive.
Well, why don't you take us around, Julie?
All
This
right.
looks spectacular
It is
inside.
spectacular.
How tall are those ceilings?
14-foot high ceilings, got the coffered ceilings. This home was built in 2000 and was refreshed, remodeled in 2015.
And what's down, if we head this way over here, what's down this end?
Let's take a look. So this would be the guest bedrooms, which each of them are very, very large. This is a king-size bed.
Oh my, look.
Yeah, plantation shutters.
Plantation shutters.
Has the blinds there, lots of lighting. This furniture is brand new, brand spanking new, and the sellers would consider selling it furnished outside of escrow, and it's beautifully furnished.
Look at these details.
Yes.
Throughout. What, head down here. Oh, this looks like the hall bath. How many bathrooms does this
It's technically it's a 3-bedroom, 1-den home with 2.5 baths. Full bath here, dual vanity.
like a whole wing of the house.
It is. It is.
Oh wow!
Again,
beautifully decorated.
Yep, really, and all rooms have walk-in closets. Nice sitting area.
We've had a couple of these on our recent listings
Yes, we
lately.
have, and I love it. I think it's
Interesting.
great. Wonderful place to have tea or coffee or read.
Oh, I was teasing them with some Hollywood history.
Yes.
In this house, and maybe this room kind of
will give us a hint.
Yeah.
So this is the den.
Oh, this could easily be a 4th bedroom.
Yes,
too.
Exactly.
Oh, look at this ceiling.
I know, fantastic.
Well, what's the story on this house?
So Barbara Minty McQueen had the home built.
Is that Steve McQueen's wife?
It is.
Oh,
yes.
Or
well,
we don't know if she had it built, but she was the original owner.
Yes, she was the original owner.
And I heard there was a little history on the house. Somebody said that when she owned the house, even though she was widowed, of course, maybe Steve McQueen's motorcycles were up there.
That's what I've been told.
That's the rumor.
Yep, that is the rumor. So,
well, interesting history, but look at this kitchen.
Yes, phenomenal kitchen, great island, nice granite countertops, tons of cabinets and storage space.
Oh, yeah, the extra large gas, of course, and the cooking. We're in the golf course area. I can't get over the height of the ceiling.
Yes.
I mean, it's almost like it's very impressive. Mm-hmm. And phenomenal. Living room here, great room.
Yep, quite large.
I love how it opens up. Look at the pool.
Mm-hmm. It's entertainer's backyard. It's just beautiful.
We'll go out there in a few minutes. What's down at this end of the house?
So here's obviously the dining room area.
Oh, and this is the 3rd bathroom.
3rd bath, half bath or powder bath off of the backyard, so don't have to tromp through the house
that's
wet.
Fantastic. You're in the pool. You have your bathroom there.
Yep.
Oh, lots of extras too. Look, is that central vac? It looks like.
Yes, it is.
Oh,
Yep.
Oh.
This would be the primary bedroom, owner's suite.
Oh, my wife still likes to say primary bedroom. I'm still old-fashioned.
Yes.
I like to say master.
Yeah.
This is
plantation
amazing.
Shutters throughout again. They did replace the flooring in here.
Yeah, it's beautiful. Mm-hmm. I mean, it's really beautiful.
I love some of the details too, like the texture on the walls in here. This is so neat.
I don't know if the camera picked up on that. Look at that.
Yeah, really, really pretty.
Super high-end feel.
Large double shower head walk-in shower.
Just classy.
Very. Very, very skylights. Good
And a
size
big
walk-in closet.
with skylight as well, natural light. Can tell a lot about the type of home you want to buy by the kitchen, by the closet. If they manicure their closet that well, you know they took care of the home.
Exactly.
And then is this?
This would be the indoor laundry.
Indoor laundry?
And it's really good size, lots of storage, good counter space.
I think the owners actually might be hiding in here.
Yeah.
But we'll go take a quick look real quick at this. Oh yes, there's one of the owners and our buyer's agent, Rochelle. How are you, Rochelle?
I'm doing wonderful.
A beautiful home, huh? We will take a look here at this incredible garage. With AC. We're gonna walk back by, and last but not least, we have to go look at that backyard.
The backyard is phenomenal.
Spectacular home. This has to be one of my favorites that we've listed this year for absolute certain.
Yep.
Oh, let me go out here and take a look at this.
So lots of different areas out here to enjoy.
It's super private.
Yes, extremely private. And the current owners have done a lot. It was already a beautiful home, but they've done quite a bit to just make it even nicer. Putting in the pavered area here, they've done the landscaping, they've done that area back there. On the side of the home, you'll see he had put in a bunch of rocks and the stacked stone and so forth. So it's just, it's an incredibly well-maintained home.
This is gorgeous. Well,
that's beautiful.
Thank you for watching this video of this fantastic home on Eagle in Lake Havasu City. You know, if you like this home and really if you like the video, if you please subscribe and hit the like button, it will help us help the sellers get this home sold and more people will see it. It also helps our business. We're grateful if you enjoy seeing these videos. If you could hit that subscribe button. We'll see you again in Lake Havasu City. These videos oftentimes have these incredible blue skies, and it's because Lake Havasu City is truly a paradise to live in. Talk to you again. Bye-bye.